Wateria. After that we click on open, we click on welcome and then next. It will show you a start message. It will explain the notifications you will receive every day. Click start. What you have to do is click on the plus to add your plants. Type the name of your plant. Then click on watering frequency and choose the number of days as indicated and activate the button next watering and the number of days. And then click on accept. Click on the silver symbol and choose the one you want. This application is used to manage the watering of the plants you have at home. In it you will be able to create cards for all your plants and thus know all you have, so you do not forget when to water them. This app is very good and simple that will tell you what task to do with your plants at home.